Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make lists and different functions with lists already embedded in Python with different functions. This is part of my series on how to learning Python from beginner to advanced. So yeah, I'm gonna go right into it. To learning Python from beginner to advanced. So yeah, I'm gonna go right into it. So lists are basically a type of variable in which you can store multiple different elements. For example, say if I wanted to store multiple different sports all in one variable, so I could say sports equals. So we want the straight brackets and then cricket. Let's say cricket there, and then comma. Make sure your elements are in quotations if they're a string. So cricket, and then let's do football and ping pong. I'm choosing these sports because, well, I like these sports. Basketball, field, hockey. There. How about these sports for now? So that's how you create a list. It's as simple as that. Now we can print all these elements just by simply saying print sports. And then if we run it, we have cricket, football, ping pong, basketball, field hockey. Now, if I delete that for now, I can also add another element to whichever spot I want. So say I want to add baseball, for example. I can do sports, and then same brackets. So I'm gonna add at the very start. So if you guys remember, so this the first element is index 0. The second element is index 1, and so on. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to add it at the very start. That means it's index 0. That's when I put baseball. So I'm going to put 0 there, and then I'm going to equals quotation baseball there. So now if I print sports, we should have baseball at the start. Yeah, there we go. So that's how you add another element to wherever you want. Say I wanted to put it in the third spot. So that would put it, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So we put it between ping pong and basketball. So let's run it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write print. Sports. So yeah, there we go. It's between field hockey and ping pong. It replaces basketball. I just noticed that I spelled basketball wrong. Sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, it replaces basketball with baseball. If yeah, you can change it to whichever index you want, say 2, and then we run it. So it take so 0, 1, 2. It's gonna take with ping pong and then replace it with baseball, and that's what it did here. Replace ping pong with baseball. So that's how you can replace different elements with another element. So say you want to add something to the end of your list. So there's a function for this. Sports dot. It gives you a bunch of different lists. So you want append. Append is used to add something to the end. I want to add dodgeball. Let's say that. So quotation. Oops. Dodgeball. There. So now if we print sports, it should have dodgeball at the end. Come on. There we go. There we go, dodgeball. And I'm gonna comment that out. Say I want to remove something. I can specify that by saying sports dot remove. And then I wanna remove field hockey, since out of this list it's the one that I like the least. So let's remove field hockey for now. And then run. It removes field hockey. Now we just have cricket, football, ping pong. Oh no, it's cricket, football, baseball, and basketball, since we replaced ping pong with baseball. We can also, if I comment this out, we can also remove the last element by simply writing sports dot pop, and that should remove the last element, which it does. It removes field hockey. Remember, ping pong is now replaced with baseball. It keeps confusing me, don't know why. I've been doing this for a while now. Okay, so we can comment that out now. And then say you want to, let's say, add something to a certain spot. So for that, we can say sports, so whatever the name of your list is, sports dot insert. And then we're gonna tell it which spot we wanted to, certain spot we wanted to add it. Say I want to add it before cricket, so that should, that's index 0 again. So comma, so after the index, comma, and then in quotations, write whatever you want. So let's say ice hockey. I'm gonna put ice hockey before cricket, and then we run it. There we go. Ice hockey is now before cricket. Say I want to, let's comment that out. Say I want to sort the list in alphabetical order. We can do sports dot sort. That should sort out the whole tuple in alphabetical order, the whole list in alphabetical orders. That's a topic for our next video. And then we run it. So it's now in alphabetical order, B, B, C, F, F. I can comment that out. What else? How about one last one? How about we want to delete everything in the list? So for that we can do sports dot clear, and then it's gonna clear everything, and we shouldn't get an output. It should just be empty. Yes, it's empty. So there's nothing in there. Yeah, that's how you can easily delete everything in a list. Say I'm gonna comment this out. I want to print the sports in a separate line, individually, not without the brackets. So for that, I can do using the for loop, as we saw as you may have seen in my other video. For I in, you can use any variable if you remember. You can use any variable. It doesn't have to be I. It can be A, it can be X, it can be D. So for now, I'm just gonna use Y in sports. So for Y in sports, print Y. Simple as that. We can run it. So it's gonna print everything on a new line: cricket, football, baseball, basketball, field hockey. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe and like. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, so it will be really helpful. If you want to watch my other videos, they are coming up. I will, at the end of this whole series, I will put in one playlist, maybe make one whole big video. I'll try to keep each clip 5 to 10 minutes long, no longer than that, but yeah, watch my other videos before my other videos, like if you haven't watched those, because you won't understand this unless you understand my other videos about variables, about for loops, and everything else. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.